So today we're talking about the Blocto app, an app that has been designed with user experience in mind. Dealing with crypto today, you have to do stuff like dealing with private keys, dealing with multiple chains, and probably you want to interact with an app on Ethereum. You need a separate wallet for it. You want to interact with that on Near and the rest of them. The Blocto system is a system that puts everything together and to give a seamless or when we talk about some of the properties. Okay, so let's start. One of the first things you have to understand is that these people, they own like I think 70% stake when it comes to delegation on the Flow blockchain. So this is a blockchain created by those guys at CryptoKitties. And then you can manage your funds, you can manage NFT across different blockchains using this platform. You can interact with multiple chains, so there's the fusion kind of applications without actually having the network token. So what is done and is made possible by using the Blocto point. So with the Blocto point, you can easily buy it with something like Google Pay or any payment provider, and then it will be automatically converted on your behalf. So you don't need to say you want to have. With that, it's very possible. And then there's a customizable experience if you don't want to deal with passphrases, and that it's all your business. There is a browser extension and supports many blockchains and the rest of them. So you might be asking, okay, what is the token used for? We have stuff like payment, staking, governance, the mining on the network. So what are some of the feature products that the platform is seeking to bring on board? We have that of the NFT showroom that people could usually bid and do auction. We also have the likes of Blocto swap, of which we'll talk a little bit about. And then we also have like Blocto balancer, a kind of system where you can put together liquidity, cross-chain liquidity, and it's a cross-chain EMM, blockchain vaults, and then the rest of them. So let's start with this platform. So it will support multiple blockchains: Tron, Solana, Ethereum, Flow, and the rest of them. So let's sign up for an account. Let me bring an account. So once you input your password, like I already have the app on my mobile phone, they will send you an email. So preparing to enter. Okay, that's my address. Then it will tell me the balance that I have, so I can use it across. It's on my phone. I can use it on my PC. There's even a Chrome extension that is coming up, and also it's going to support layer 2. So let me say I want to swap 0.05. Click sometime. You can also add liquidity if you want. The transaction, I just got notice that it didn't go through, so I think one might want to do it again. Do you understand the basic idea? You put some tokens, whatever you want to swap, and then you swap. And if you want to do pooling, you add liquidity and equal pair, you can do that. Then the teleport function is if you want to bridge assets from different wallets. So maybe you want to bridge from from Flow to Blocto, you can do that, and then you can swap the assets very easily. So guys, that is a brief about this platform. Very sleek, easy to use. You are not encumbered with stuffs like passphrase and the rest of it.